Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So to be able to change our keyboard shortcuts in Photoshop is a very easy thing to do and doesn't complex here. So I'll be showing you how to change your keyboard shortcut or add your own shortcut in Adobe Photoshop. So go to Edit, go to Preferences, then go to Keyboard Shortcuts. You will click on Edit, Keyboard Shortcut, and shortcut to access this panel is Alt, Shift, Control, and K. That's a very long one there, but it will stick sooner or later. Alt, Shift, Control, and K. Alright, so these are the categories of keyboard shortcut that we have defined. So to see what options are available under this category, just collapse this by toggling on this drop down arrow. So to create a new file is Control N, to open a new file is Control. I think we all know these basic ones. You can just drag, scroll down and see more. So I'm going to go to the layer section, the layer category. So I think there's no shortcut to create a new layer, because in Adobe Photoshop, to create a new layer, we just click on this icon here to create a new layer. This block icon. So let me see if I can change that. So Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, Layer, Code, New Layer, which is Control Shift Control N. Okay, so let's see, Shift Control N. Okay, good. So I want to match all visible layers into a single layer, and the shortcut for this is Ctrl Alt Shift E, which will merge all visible layers into a single layer in Photoshop. So I want to convert this to a smart object. Right now I have to just right click and click on convert to smart objects, which I know is not a pretty tedious thing, but I'll Ctrl Z that and create a shortcut for that. Go to keyboard shortcuts and wait for it to layer. So once you open this dialog, it's going to be like this. Just click on this drop down arrow to collapse this code and look for smart object under your layer category. We just keep scrolling. So this is the smart objects section. So come out to smart objects. Just click on this. You can see that as my mouse is over here, you can see that as I hover my mouse around this convert to smart object option, it changes to a right hand icon. Just click once on it. Then the shortcut I'll make use of is Ctrl Alt Shift Q. So that will be Alt Shift Ctrl Q. So I had to press these keys one after the other to, well, you don't have to let go of the first one. Just let me undo that. Okay, so I mistakenly hit the Ctrl Z key by mistake, and I get this yellow icon which says Ctrl Z is already in use. I will be removed from Edit Undo if accepted. So I'll just undo that. I will delete this. Alright, so Alt Ctrl Shift Q is a keyboard shortcut I'm using to create a smart object. So once I'm okay with this shortcut, I'll just click on OK. I say that I don't get that yellow warning icon, that is, this keyboard shortcut does not exist and is not yet in use in Photoshop. So click on OK. Now I can just right click and convert to smart objects. I'll Ctrl Z that. Then I can still do my Alt Ctrl Shift Q. How easy is this? This stuff makes life very easy for us. So you can just create your own shortcut here, go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcut, and create yours. Create several shortcuts for several operations that I want to do in Photoshop and so on. So I've got all these filters that make keyboard shortcuts. You can add your own. So let me just cancel this version. So you know how to create your own custom keyboard shortcuts in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching.